Hello, today I got a flat on my dolly. Yeah. And this is the flat right here. Every time I fill it up, there's no air. So I'm going to, instead of show you how to fix the flat, I guess I got a leak somewhere. I'll do it on another video on how to fix the flat. But to change the dolly, to change the wheel of the dolly, all you need is a flat screwdriver and apply it. Okay? Don't worry about these four bolts. These four bolts, you don't remove it. Okay? These four bolts is actually hold the wheels together right here. Hold the hubs together. That's the only thing. Okay? Some people try to remove those bolts. You think that you need to remove that to remove the wheel. No, you don't. All you need to do is have a plier, squeeze the pin together, and use a screwdriver to remove the pin. When it doesn't come out, hit it. Hit it out. Okay? And all you need to do, you got your washer here, take it off. So, just take it. And there you go. Remove it. Now you just put another one back on. This is from Home Freight. Only bought like $8 for it. So, see? There you go. Put your washer back on. Put your pin back in. It's not going in. Okay, push it in. Push it in. Screwdriver. Easy. Okay. Why is not going in? Okay, there you go. Now, we're going to use the screwdriver for the needle. Split the needle up. Okay. We're going to use the screwdriver and just take the needle up. Don't go to the left. Don't go to the right. You can't use it, but you apply it. Okay, that's it. Now you got a good dolly moving out. Okay? You need some more air, but that's it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe. Appreciate it.